Welcome back to Summit Sunrise, hanging out here with Christy Lee from KL Creative Design. If you need anything involving websites or just help at all with, kind of creating the image that you want online, these are the people to talk to. So let's tell everybody what it is that you guys do at KL Creative Design.
Sure. KL Creative Design is a full-service web development group. I do website redesigns, mobile websites, mobile apps.
Okay, so let's start. Let's say somebody does not have a website. Mm-hmm. Let's just kind of start from the very beginning. How would you recommend starting that process, and how does that work exactly?
Right. Well, usually we'll sit down and we'll talk about your business so I can learn about what you're doing, what you guys are all about, and then we do branding, graphic design, make you a logo, make you a visual representation of your business, and then we'll build you a website. Usually we build as well with a mobile specific aspect to it as well. So that way it looks good on the mobile device as well as on the desktops.
Okay, so something that you can really build from the ground up. Now what about someone, let's say, like those of us here at TV8 Summit, we have a website, and you guys, if you go to tv8summit.com, you can see the before image. It's not something that we like. It really doesn't function the way that we want it to, and especially when it comes to videos and things like that, it just doesn't display them the way that we want.
Right.
So let's say somebody else out there has a website that they're like, just doesn't really do it for them. What would you recommend for those guys?
We do website redesigns as well. We can rebrand you if you want and redo the logo and all of the graphic design, or we can just do the website and keep some of the branding that you already have, where we'll reskin the website and rearrange the content so that way it lays out a little bit better. Maybe it's improving website usability. Maybe we're improving search engine optimization to help with the traffic, or just give it a more modern feel.
Okay, now you mentioned search engine optimization. Why is that important? First of all, what is that and why is that important?
Right, so SEO is the art of driving more traffic to your website or increasing your rankings in search engines. Basically, you want to be on page 1 of Google. That's the goal.
Okay.
So that's what search engine optimization is. And in a sea of websites on the internet, what makes your website stand out? Why do you come first where other websites don't, or vice versa? So that's why you need that in order to help bring more traffic. And basically, you're marketing your website. You would never create a product and do no advertising for it. SEO is part of the advertising for that.
See, makes a lot of sense. Got it. Now, when it comes to, let's say, people that maybe they have the website dialed, they have their SEO dialed, but maybe they have a genius idea for an app. What about those guys?
Right. So mobile apps can also be a great addition to your marketing package, and we can do that as well for you. We find that it really helps with customer loyalty. You're able to push out deals or sales or news directly to your clients and have it right at their fingertips. So mobile app can be an excellent way to connect with your clients as well.
Okay, so you guys really can do it all, and something that I do love so much about your company is that you're based right here in Summit County. So if you guys have been thinking about any of this, starting a website or revamping your website, you can actually do it all up here, which is phenomenal. You don't have to go down to the Front Range, and you're getting to see the face of the company right now, so you know that you know who you're dealing with, which is amazing. And then you guys kind of take it a step further when it comes to just helping people get started in the process. You really take that initial intimidation out of it.
Right. We understand it can be a really big process to start a website, and that there's a lot of unknowns. So we will sit down with you for 30 minutes or however long it takes for free and do a project consultation where we can discuss your project and what the next steps might be. What's it going to take for you to rebrand your website or whatever your project is.
So you guys heard that, for free. You can actually sit down and see what it's going to take and actually get those initial steps taken care of, and it's not going to cost you anything, just to at least see what it might take to get it the way that you want it. So really amazing company. We love you guys here at TV8 Summit. It's a big testimonial from us. But if you want to get in touch with Christy Lee and the team at KL Creative Design, what's the best way for them to do that?
So my website is klcreativedesign.com, and my phone number is on the screen.
All right, you guys, get in touch with them if you have any questions. We need to take another quick break here on Summit Sunrise, but we'll be right back.